This is a first video of the voltage in on my scan gauge, the voltage readout. I just started the car, and I'm going to install a voltage stabilizer. The one I chose was the MegaRaizin from Pivot Racing. This is the voltage that's being put out by the alternator. I'm going to turn on the headlights. Okay, headlights are on. I'm going to turn off the headlights. Headlights are off. I'm going to turn on the headlights and the fan motor for the heater. Turn on the radio. Okay, turn off the radio, turn off the fan motor, turn off the headlights. So it does fluctuate. So turn on the headlights, turn on the fan motor, turn on the radio. She was, she could, so she pulled my lion's tail. Turn off the radio, turn off the fan motor, turn off the headlights. Okay, so that gives you an idea of what it does without the voltage stabilizer. We'll see if it makes any difference in the second video after the stabilizer is installed.